Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic text correction on this device. You need to start by opening Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and choose Advanced Settings. Now you need to select Languages and Input at the top and tap on On-Screen Keyboard. Finally, select Keyboard over here and click on Text Correction section. Now, all you need to do is scroll down and click on this switcher next to Auto Correction. As you can see now, automatic text correction is off. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same, now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!